Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 44 schedule. Let's start today's plan. First we start with quants. Today revise the simple interest chapter. Go through all concepts and try to solve as many questions as possible. Next, solve one advanced DA set. Then practice 5 to 10 sets of basic DA sets. Next, reasoning. Revise the directions topic. Practice questions from prelims to advanced level and make sure understand the concepts very clearly. Then solve a puzzle sets. Practice 10 puzzle sets. Next, English. Watch the editorial class and understand it very clearly. Take one English sectional mock test. Try to take a sectional mock once or twice a week. Most important thing are identify your mistakes and spend the time analyze the mock test. Understand how to solve questions correctly. Do not skip the analysis part. It is very important for improvement. Next, computer awareness. Today's topic is data representation. Watch video classes or read notes and understand the topic clearly. Current affairs, take today notes, revise previous notes, attempt quizzes in it. That's all about today's schedule, guys. Stay consistent and stay prepared and keep practicing. Bye, guys.